So you should be seeing what I'm seeing back there from here. Welcome back to Don's Life. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining today. I've been waiting for quite a while since I've been testing these devices, but finally, not only can we watch Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, YouTube, and many more entertainment applications, plus useful utility applications, but now we can display everything that we see on our front infotainment screen on the rear screens. Time for a demonstration. Let's go. So introducing the CarPlay AI Box HE, meaning HDMI Edition. We have our USB-C connector here. We got this nice wood finish on the exterior, gives it some character. And then the other two ports are your HDMI output and a USB-A port for a USB flash drive for extra media. Let's take a look at connecting it to the vehicle. Now it's important to note that this device will only work if your vehicle is compatible with wired CarPlay. If your vehicle is equipped with wireless CarPlay but doesn't work with wired CarPlay connecting with a cable, then unfortunately this device will not work for you. For a full list of compatible vehicles, I'll leave a link in the video description below. It's actually a compatibility link from Apple that you can check out to see if this will work. Now the vehicle we're demonstrating this on is a 2022 Cadillac Escalade. It is equipped with CarPlay, both wired and wireless, as well as Android Auto. Now, I am not connected to CarPlay at the moment, but once I plug this box in, it is going to be through the wire and it's going to connect to wired CarPlay, and then this device will use the protocols that CarPlay uses to be able to communicate with the infotainment system and unlock all its features. So what we're going to do is we're going to connect it right here in the glove box. Now I've had this plugged in here before, so it's not going to take as long as it may take for you on your first time, because it has to boot up for one, and it has to sense what resolution your screen is capable of. Once it determines that, then it will configure itself to fit your screen properly, and then we can start using it. So it's just booting up. Now we're into the main screen. We got to accept, and now you can see pretty slick interface. And there's a lot here. We're going to do a quick demonstration of some of the features. The first thing you're going to want to do is figure out where you're going to get your internet signal from. So we have our icon right here. I'm already connected to the Wi-Fi around my house. Now you could use the hotspot on your phone, or you could use your vehicle's hotspot if it has one through whatever data plan is available. It's important to mention as well, this has a GPS module inside of it. So whether you're online or offline, it will be able to see where you are when you're using your navigation apps. I'm just going to show you a little bit of the layout and how to navigate the main screen. So you have your voice assistant, your Wi-Fi connection. You can see mine's a little bit weak here in the garage. We have our GPS status. This is your home button, which we're already on the home screen. And this is your back button. If I direct your attention over to this little cube where you can place anywhere, this will show up time to time, because on some screens you may not see this legend with these quick link icons. So if this is visible, you can click it and it'll allow you to go home, back, or your voice assistant again, and it disappears on its own. A lot of these are self-explanatory. We have navigation, music, car auto, which is going to be your Bluetooth audio. We have our YouTube app here.
Behind me are 100 people, and they range from the age 1 all the way through age 100. And I've tracked each of them in their very own glass cube. The last one to leave their cube is going to win $500,000. The challenge has officially begun.
Let's try Netflix. And we can just pick a show, pick The Office.
I figured it's time to just start preparing the right amount of food for the right number of people, which is 1.
Well, maybe you'll meet someone.
No, some people just don't meet someone. I'm fine with it. Really. This is not a pity party. It's not a party at all. It's just sad.
And you can also download your content. Now, there's not a lot of storage memory on the unit itself, but if you wanted to get an episode here and there of something, you can download it and watch it offline.
Detective, I already solved the case. We're looking for 3 white males, one of whom has sleeve tats on both arms.
And how do you know that?
I had an informant.
So there's a demonstration of Netflix. Let's check out Disney+. Disney+ can be found in the app list. So we'll click that, and you can see all your apps are also listed here. And we can scroll up, and there's Disney+. While we're here though, you can see we have Spotify, Bluetooth music, VLC, which we'll demonstrate in a little bit using a thumb drive or a flash drive with some downloaded content. And you can also get more apps from APK Pure Lite. Actually, why don't we look at that quick? This is essentially an app store, so you can download different Android apps and put them on this device. And there are so many here to choose from. Let's check out Disney Plus. And again, you can pick a show. Marvel's right there. Let's pick something. Watch the new Ant-Man.
I didn't know you could do that.
I can also do downloaded content. So I go to my download section and I downloaded an episode here to demonstrate to you. So cool and so convenient. We'll check out a few more apps and then we'll see what this is like for the people in the back seats, which I think is one of the most important features. So earlier I said you can get more apps from APK Pure Lite. You also have the Google Play Store and it's ready to go. Just log in with your Google account and then you can download more apps. We also have our Gmail if you wanted to get it here. Don't forget, you may want to go on the internet. Maybe you want to go to OneCarStereo's website and check out the new CarPlay AI HE box, which is the one we're looking at today. Now we have our media drive in. We can't forget the HDMI cable so we can watch this on the rear screens. So you should be seeing what I'm seeing back there from here. We're going to demonstrate the VLC app. We'll watch an episode of Ted Lasso.
It wasn't football, it was a crime scene.
Speaking of which, Rupert Mannion has been accused of an inappropriate relationship by a former assistant, putting the team owner in hot water.
Hot water? That meant me.
Ball there, ball there. Oh, Van shoots! But it's saved by Van Damme. Oh, he wants to become drawer now. Well, it's about time. Richmond seem to have settled down. They're on the attack.
You can see it's very responsive and just a pleasure to use. Way more convenient now when traveling on these road trips with the kids. A really cool feature too, if I want to turn the volume down so I can have a conversation with the front passenger, the rear passengers still get audio through the headphones. That's cool. Just a few more features I wanted to show you before we wrap up this video. So here I have Google Maps open. Again, if we want to leave any application that we're in, right now there's no shortcut to get out of here, but if I just tap the screen somewhere, this cube shows up, I can hit home, and now I'm back on the home page. I can even exit the CarPlay AI HE box altogether and go back to my main screen. If I hit CarPlay, now I'm back into the device. So if I wanted to go to Hulu, I'd click Hulu. If I want to change some of the settings, I would go here for all my customization. We have a generic video player here, and there's some demo material that already comes on the box that you can watch. And you can do picture-in-picture with that app, so that might be of use to somebody if they're wanting to do two things at once. We have a music player, so you could put a bunch of music on your USB drive. Again, there's some demo material here. And if you have too much going on, push on the clear task button. It looks like a little broom, and that will close all the open apps and you'll be fresh, clean, and ready to go again. One thing I wanted to mention, whether it's these devices or using your phone and you're trying to watch media and listen to it, there's usually going to be a small audio delay. That's just a limitation of the technology, so it is going to be something that exists in these devices. I will say though, if you download content, I found that it's probably the most in sync that you're going to get. So that's my demonstration of the CarPlay AI HE box from OneCarStereo. If you want to get yourself one, I'll leave a link in the video description below. I think it'd make a great gift, a great companion for those road trips. But if you like today's video, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing, and we'll talk to you next time.